Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how my app who use HTML, JavaScript, HBS, database MongoDB, and for the WebSocket I use Node.js to store the data. So this is the COVID application app who is aimed for the University of Plymouth to classify each student according to their health status. So first of all, you go on the terminal and you open the node at server 3000. This is for the main application, and then server 8000 for the WebSocket. Okay, so we are on server, let's say local, 3000. Okay, let's say a student have his temperature, so the student can therefore see his temperature. So if it's below 30, it will say not positive the corona, but low temperature. If it's 34, is excellent condition. 38, normal case, and you can even set it into Fahrenheit. Okay, so let me display the data. That's the data I've been working just to test before. So now we will do another data, a fresh new data. Let's say a student have 45 degrees, which is bad. The test machine already say is positive to the virus, dangerous case. So this student name is Yao, or let's say Isabel. Yes, and his address is Plymouth 50, which I don't know. So I insert, and I will be able to display the data here. As you can see Isabel, the address, the status, and the date, which is 2 a.m. and 27 minutes, sorry. So now if you want to update the application, you grab the ID here, you put the name, and let's keep the name at it so you can see the difference. You can change however you want, but I just want to show the difference. And let's say it was Paris, right? No, it was Plymouth. I can change to Paris. Let's say Paris 45, 46. And then from positive, you can say when the lockdown is over, now she's not positive, but no, excellent condition. And then you update. Now the file is updating. Sorry, sometimes the file is like this. It actually updated, but you need to refresh like this. As you can see, Isabel, Paris 45, 47, not positive, excellent condition. And then for example, if the confinement is over, the lockdown is over, it set up the date of when you change the data. And then if you want to delete her data, let's not delete this, or maybe, okay, never mind, I will delete this. Delete, actually deleting, sorry, I need to refresh again. There we go. When you display, you can't see the data. So this is for the COVID app. And then if you want, there is a WebSocket app. You can go and back and forth. And for the WebSocket, let's create two WebSockets. So you can see the difference. So username, let's say your username is user1. Let's call the user1, and the name of the user is maybe Joseph. So user1 can communicate to Joseph, and even another user, like another user, called random name, like this. So these are all the person who are connected. Let's say the user1 say hi, the message has been sent, the Joseph say okay, and then the other person say I have trouble. So you can see that they are able to communicate between each other. The user one can send a message and so on. So this is my app. I hope you enjoyed the app, the website app, and see you on the next video. I'm sure this app will be good for your company and for the university. Thank you very much for following the video.